This story explains what interculturalism is all about, and that is making connections. This project combines interculturalism with physical activity into what we call interactive. Connections, the interactive process, written and illustrated by David Sexton. We define interculturalism as embracing diversity, fostering awareness, connecting people, creating something new. We define physical activity, any bodily activity that enhances or maintains physical fitness, overall health, and wellness. In Renfrew Collingwood, we have a neighborhood full of diversity. With all the great physical activities that are available in Renfrew Collingwood, there are still a number of barriers to accessing these offerings. Groups experiencing these barriers include people with low income, new immigrants, socially isolated seniors, single parents, and other marginalized populations. To address this puzzle, the interactive project brought together 4 main puzzle pieces to discuss and develop a plan to break down these barriers. Community Partners was the first group created, and they created the surveys that developed our understanding of the needs of our diverse neighbors and the barriers they experienced. The Knowledge Exchange group came in from the University of British Columbia to bridge the gap between academia and community and share knowledge and resources. The Communicators are a group of community volunteers, staff, and students who developed a common message workshop to communicate what interactive was all about. The final piece to this puzzle was the Connectors, volunteers from many different backgrounds who reach out within their own networks and beyond to help more Renfrew Collingwood community members overcome barriers and connect to more physical activities of their choice. Together, these 4 groups discussed over many months various ways of closing the gaps between physical activity and Renfrew Collingwood residents. After many months in action, all the pieces of the puzzle came together and closed many gaps. Many new physical activities were accessed, many connections were made between people who are different from one another, knowledge was increased, building the community's capacity to help Renfrew Collingwood thrive today and in the future. The interactive project has bridged the gap, overcoming many barriers and enabling community members to access more Renfrew Collingwood physical activities. Interactive's mandate: encouraging people in Renfrew Collingwood to be physically active while connecting with people from different cultures and backgrounds. I'd like to give thanks to everybody who supported and funded our program. Please visit Interactive on the Collingwood Neighborhood House's website and also connect with us on Facebook and Twitter.